My name is Michael Moser, and I'm a sports medicine and arthroscopic surgeon. I treat mainly shoulder and knee conditions, including rotator cuff tears, shoulder dislocations, complex ligaments, injuries of the knee. I also do hip arthroscopy and some elbow work in throwing athletes. Generally, the patients that I see are involved in athletics throughout their life. Those folks who are kind of motivated to get back to a very active lifestyle and who have been injured during the course of their activities. I like to engage the patients and understand their expectations for outcomes of their treatment plan. And so generally I'll start off the conversation and ask them, well, what do you want to get out of the treatment, and what were you doing before you were injured or from your injury? And from there, we can kind of go through a shared decision-making model and try and create a decision plan that's best for them. I really enjoy the smiles and the thank yous. You know, when you can impact someone in a positive way and you can have them get back to the activities that really bring them happiness, that's what really kind of brings you back to work every day. Florida Orthopedic Institute offers patients very advanced care with trained specialty-specific orthopedic surgeons and physicians. I think that really sets the practice apart from many practices throughout the community. And it's really great to have partners that offer that type of subspecialty care, so we can be really dialed in to treat patients very specifically with our areas of expertise.